Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. I'm Cikgu Aisyah from Learning English with Cikgu Aisyah. If this is your first time here, please subscribe to my channel at the end of this lesson. Today we're going to learn one of grammar's topic in Unit 4, Life on Earth, from Paul's 2 book for Form 1. The topic for today's lesson is order of adjectives. Our learning objective for today's lesson is to revise the order of adjectives in sentences. When we use two or more adjectives together, we use the following order. First is determiner, next opinion, number 3 size or length, after that weight, then age, followed by temperature, and then humidity, after that shape, followed by color, and then origin, and then material, and last in the order is purpose. And all these adjectives we plus noun. Okay, now let's look at this example. A picturesque little village. So a is a determiner, so it is number 1 in the order. Okay, picturesque is opinion, so it is number 2 in order. And little is size, and it is number 3 in the order. So that's why it becomes like this, a picturesque little village. Okay, let's look at example 2, a long sandy beach. A is the determiner, so it's in position 1. Long is size, so it's in position 3. And sandy is material, so it is in position 11. So the phrase becomes like this, a long sandy beach. Okay, let's continue with example 3, a beautiful little town. So a is in position 1, determiner, because it is a determiner. Then beautiful is opinion, so it's in position 2. And then little is size, so it is in position 3. So this phrase becomes a beautiful little town. Okay, let's look at example 4, an interesting old picture. N is a determiner, so we place it at position 1. Interesting is opinion, we place it at position 2. And old is age, so age is at position 5. So we arrange them in order, so this phrase becomes an interesting old picture. Example 5, a big brown leather suitcase. So A is determiner, is in position 1. Big is size, so it's in position 3. Brown is color, so it's in position 9. And then leather is material, so it is position 11. So we arrange them in order from small to big, so it becomes like this, a big brown leather picture. Now let's do some exercise to test your understanding. Okay, now let's try exercise number 1. Rewrite the sentences with the adjectives in brackets in the correct places. Okay, this is sentence number 1. There is a cave that you can only reach by boat. So the adjectives in brackets are white and big. So you numbered these two adjectives based on the order of adjectives. So here, if you can see that white is color, so it's number 9. Okay, and then big. Big is size, so it's number 3. So we arrange these two based from small number to 9 number, followed by a bigger number. So the sentence becomes, there is a big white cave that you can only reach by boat. So you place small number first and then bigger number. Next. Okay, let's try number 2. There aren't many hotels. Okay, the two adjectives in brackets are ugly and modern. So let's number these two adjectives based on the order of adjectives. Ugly is opinion, so it's number 2. Modern is age, so it's position 5. So we arrange them correctly. There aren't many ugly modern hotels. Now let's try question 3. You can explore the streets. Okay, we have narrow and old adjectives in the brackets. So let's number these two adjectives. So narrow is size, so it's position 3. And then old is age, so it's in position 5. So let's arrange these adjectives in the sentence. It becomes, you can explore the narrow old streets. Okay, let's try number 4. It is famous for its restaurants where you can eat fish. The adjectives in brackets are fresh and delicious. So let's place these adjectives in the correct positions. So let's see, fresh. Fresh is age, so it's number 5. And delicious is opinion, so it's number 2. So delicious must come before fresh. So the correct sentence is, it is famous for its restaurants where you can eat delicious fresh fish. Okay, let's try another question. Question 5. Greece has blank summers and short winters. So we have two choices of answers. A, long dry, and B, dry long. So let's number these adjectives, okay, according to this order of adjective. Okay, so let's see. Long is size, so it's in position 3. And dry is humidity, so it's in position 7. Okay, so dry is position 7 and long is in position 3. So as you know, we need to put the adjectives based on this order. Okay, so small number come first. So 3 and then followed by 7. So the answer is A. Okay, now let's try question number 6. Greece has hundreds of islands which have blank beaches and blank sky. Okay, let's number the adjectives based on the order of adjectives. Okay, let's see. Sandy. Sandy is material, so it's in position 11. Beautiful is opinion, so it's 2. And then clear is, let's say, opinion, so it's number 2. And blue is color, it's number 9. So we arrange these adjectives based on their order. So the answer is, Greece has hundreds of islands which have beautiful sandy beaches and clear blue sky. Okay, question 7. Athens, the capital of Greece, is famous for its blank monuments. Okay, let's number these adjectives. So ancient is age, so it's in position 5. Okay, and amazing is opinion, so it's number 2. Okay, so amazing is number 2 and ancient is number 5. So based on the order of adjectives, the correct answer is B. That's it for today's lesson. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video is useful for you to produce a good sentence. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you in my next video. Assalamualaikum and bye-bye.